In this video, I will put you through on how to create audiobook on Amazon KDP. As usual, I'll be using a friend's account for this. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your browser. And once your browser opens, visit kdp.amazon.com and log into your account. All right. So I'll visit kdp.amazon.com and log into this account from here. All right. Once you're on the bookshelf, you will see an interface that looks like this. So scroll down to the book you want to create audiobook on. All right. Okay, in this situation, I want us to work on this book, all right? This particular book. This is one of the books on this bookshelf. And note, the creation of this audiobook is not allowed on all accounts. Yes, KDP is still rolling it out for some accounts. So, if your a particular account you are using, your account is eligible, you will see this here. Add audio book with visual voice. All right, you can see here your ebook is eligible for an audiobook. And listen, for this to work, if your account is eligible, you must have an ebook that is live already. All right, you can see in this case, this ebook is live. If you have only paper and hardcover, it will not work. You must have an existing ebook on your account. All right, so the next step you need to take in this case is to click on this button. All right, once you're on this page, what you need to do is scroll down, all right? You will see these samples, all right? Some of them are female voice, some are male voice. Okay, for example, let's play this, right? This is a female voice, all right? Okay, let's say we want to use male voice. Okay, this is another male voice. Okay, so if, for example, this is what you want to use, you click here, all right, for it to be selected. If you want to see more voices, you click on export all voices, all right? But I'm okay with this, okay? Because this is visual voice, okay? It's AI voice, okay? So you don't spend any much in this. You don't spend any money at all. It's free. So here, put the price of your book. I like having mine to be at $9.99. All right. So once you insert the price, you will see the list price here. You will see your own revenue. Okay. If it's purchased on Amazon.com, your revenue will be $4 based on this price. If it's purchased on Audible.com, your revenue will be $4. Okay, based on this price as well. But if it's purchased using ebook add-on, all right, that's the list price there will be 1.99, 40% royalty rate, just like these other ones, and your royalty will be 80 cents. Okay, so that's how it works. So scroll down, okay, and the next step you need to take is to hit on publish audiobook. All right. So sometimes this takes about 20 minutes or even less for it to be published. Okay. So once it is published, you will be notified. You can see here, congratulations with the select for beginners and seniors, censor, all right, has been submitted. So, but within a short time, you will see it go live. So I'll click on done. And know this, you can see these have changed to publishing. Within a short time, it will be published. Note that once it is published, you'll be notified by email. And once it is in this publishing mode, your ebook will be locked. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, including self-publishing, YouTube education, and other things that has to do with content creation. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section down here. If you have some questions, please do ask me, and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. You can watch this video here to learn more on self-publishing. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.